Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. As you can see, I'm recording in my new studio right now. I've got the new lighting set up behind me and I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. Some of you said you kind of preferred the whiter light because then you could see like the potion bottles better in the background, but I really think that purple lighting on this side, there's actually green lighting on the other side that you can't see right now. Anyways, in today's video, I am going to be unboxing Cherry Wallis's Curation of Magical Curiosities Wizarding Box, and this is powered by Geek Gear. So Cherry Wallis basically curated all of the items in this box. I believe she designed them all too. So that's really, really cool. And I'm actually really excited to open this. I've had it for about a week, but I just haven't had time to open it until now. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what's inside. But real quick, before I open this box, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you know about this box, you probably already know that Cherry is doing a Christmas box as well. And I have 2 exclusive items in that box that I designed. So if you guys are interested in getting your hands on some designs by me as well as Cherry in her Christmas box, definitely head over there and check it out. Order it there. I've got a link in the description box below. Anyways, without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, we've got this design here on the box. It says Cherry Wallis's Curation of Magical Curiosities. It's powered by Geek Gear. It's charmed, handle with care. There's an owl post stamp over here. It's just really cool. She's done a great job designing the box as well. So yeah, let's open it up and take a look what we see inside. Oh, it looks like there's a personalized letter. Let's check this out. It says, "I hope this letter finds you well and that the owl that delivered it arrives safely. I also hope that this box didn't end up in the wrong hands, as I will likely get into trouble for exposing our kind to the Muggle world." Well, if that's a problem, I'm totally screwed. If you're reading this, I wanted to say a big thank you for all of your support with the curation of magical curiosities. Always Cherry. P.S. By the way, the bird bites. Very cool. Very, very nice. All right, let's see what's inside. We've got some really cool tissue paper here that has the flying keys and lightning bolts. It's black with gold, obviously, as you can see. Very cool. And when we open it up, we have the wiggly worms, of course. And there's some gold wiggly worms in there too. I like that. That little touch is pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. This says herbology on it. Not quite sure what is going to be in there, but I'm guessing it has to do with herbology. So here we go. Let's just open this box up. And, whoops, I accidentally ripped it. That's okay. Inside we have, okay, not gonna lie, I had to look this up because I did not know what it was called. And it is called the Mimbulus Mimbletonia. It is a very rare magical plant that is covered in what looks like boils rather than spines. So that is pretty cool. And it looks actually really authentic to what it looks like in the photo on the Harry Potter wiki. I mean, that's a pretty good likeness right there. So very, very cool. Let's continue and see what else we have in here. So this is a very curious curiosity right here. It is wrapped in brown tissue paper with some twine, and I have a feeling this is something very cool, so I'm going to set this aside and open it last, I think. Let's see what else we have. Okay, cool, we have a pin. So this is a Yule Ball Tin, and it has like 3 different colors of pumpkin juice, it looks like. Very neat stuff. I like it. Okay, and continuing on, we have time-turning tea. Okay, cool. So this is a lot like a Geek Gear box. They always come with a tea in it, and this one comes with a tea, it comes with a pin, so it really follows that structure, which is awesome because Geek Gear is great. It has coconut and blackberry and rose petals and all the goodness that you might also think would be in here. Let's have a smell and see. Oh yeah, that smells good. I usually don't drink these teas. I've got like a whole stack of them sitting around, but this one smells so good. It smells really fruity. I love that. So yeah, very interested in trying this one out. All right, let's see what else we have in here. A letter. I'm thinking that this letter might be the cheat sheet. Maybe, maybe not. Let me see. I'm not sure if it's the cheat sheet or not, so I guess I'll open it, and if I see that it's the cheat sheet, I will not read it or look at it any further. Okay, it is not the cheat sheet, I don't believe. There's some runes on here. Oh, it's some pages from the Advanced Potion Making book. So we have Advanced Potion Making pages here for the Draft of Living Death. And then it's fully readable, it looks like. Yep, definitely is. Very cool stuff. Was not expecting this. I like it a lot. And then there we go. We have like a runes chart and stuff for potion making. This is awesome. All right, that might be my favorite thing in the box. We will see. But let's continue on. Okay, so there's another box in here. This exquisitely crafted vial bottle will hold your closest memories for many years to come. Okay, cool. We all know what this is. Oh, neat. What is this? Oh, that is such a cool looking bottle. This is going to go great on my potion shelf or any shelving back there. It's going to be so cool. Oh, and the top comes off too. This is really, really nice stuff. And I think these are these are stickers that are supposed to go onto the bottle. But it looks like it'll only fit one sticker. So maybe you pick one that you like and you put it on there. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, really cool, intricately cut stuff. Very good stuff. Okay, very cool memory vial. Next up we have Year 1, the Philosopher's Stone. I've always had a fondness for Harry's first year at Hogwarts, mostly because it's where we were first introduced to the wizarding world. Okay, so hold on a second. I think this might be the cheat sheet. So I'm going to not read that. I'm going to set that aside because I think I was just spoiled on what this is, but I'll still open it last. Let's see what else we have. I think there's only one other thing in this box anyway. And yes, there is only one other thing, and it is this Mandrake print, which is so cool, and Cherry drew it. That's so awesome. And now I wonder if she did this like traditionally with like watercolor and stuff, or if this is maybe drawn in Photoshop or like digitally colored, because I do a lot of digital coloring as well. So man, that's really cool. Very good job on this, Cherry. Okay, so now it's time to open up this that may or may not be the Philosopher's Stone. Let's see. Oh, cool. There we go. That is so cool looking. It looks like it's just the right shape and color. That's really cool. And I've been wanting a Philosopher's Stone for a while, so I'm really happy that this came in the box. That's so cool. So yeah, that is it. Let's go on to the cheat sheet. I'm not going to read the whole thing because like the cheat sheet has her thoughts on like every single item. I'll read it on my own time. I'm saying I'm not going to read it to you in this video. So yeah, year 2 was each item apparently was for each year at Hogwarts. So that makes sense. I didn't know that going into this. I didn't know anything about this box going into it really. I kind of wanted to just be totally surprised and know as little as possible. So I have not read about it. I've not watched anyone's unboxings or anything like that. So yeah. Year 1 was the Philosopher's Stone, of course. Year 2 was the Mandrake artwork, which was awesome. Very, very, very nice job on that. Year 3 was the Time-Turning Tea. Year 4 was the Yule Ball Pin. Makes sense. Year 5 was the Mimbulus Mimbletonia. I hope that I'm pronouncing that right. Sorry if I'm not. So then we also have Year 6, the Draft of Living Death Potion recipe, which was the advanced potion making pages, and then year 7 was the memory vial. Really cool, very, very well thought out, and all of the items in here were just really good. So if you're ever on the fence about whether you want to get a box curated by Cherry Wallis, do it. These are awesome. And like I said, I do have 2 exclusive items coming in her Christmas box, her December box. So yeah, if you are interested in getting your hands on those, as well as other awesome items just like these, designed by Cherry Wallis herself, definitely check that out. Like I said, there's a link in the description box below to that, so you should not have any problems finding it. Other than that, yeah, that is it. Really good stuff. And if I had to pick 2 favorite items out of this box, it's going to be difficult. Obviously I really like the advanced potion making pages, so that's definitely one. I also really like the Philosopher's Stone and the memory vial, so I'm not sure which one I like the most out of these 2. It's really hard to say. So, whoops. It's okay, it's sturdy. So I am just not going to limit myself to 2. I like 3 items, and it is the potion making pages, the Philosopher's Stone, and the memory vial. Let me know what your favorites were. If you want to see more unboxings and Harry Potter related videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week, whether it be an unboxing or DIYs, which is what I primarily do on my channel. Anyways, yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.